Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your Reverso context app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, just go down, you click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to choose theme, just click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on dark. So you just click on dark, then it's going to change with you here dark mode to dark mode like you see here on your Reverso context app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.